Murg Yakni Pulao has lip-smacking taste when made with long-grain basmati rice from Sri Lal Mahal that is cooked in the flavorful chicken stock called yakni, which is infused with the melange of Indian spices that adds flavor to it. Sri Lal Mahal aromatic basmati rice has long cylinder grains, light and fluffy texture, offers the palate a totally wonderful experience in terms of taste, distinctive flavors and uniqueness. Be it yakni pulao or dum biryani, Sri Lal Mahal basmati rice are perfect for every recipe and occasions. The detailed recipe of Murg Yakni Pulao is in the caption. Do check it out.